Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou, one day closer to the completion of this incredible transformation. Every visit brings visible changes, and today there is plenty of progress to cover across several key areas of the stadium. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily updates. We begin in the Tribuna, where activity around prefabricated seating continues to increase. A new set of prefabricated stands is being lifted into position, while multiple trailers have arrived carrying additional seating units. Large stacks are visible on the ground, with many more prepared for installation in the coming days, confirming that third-tier seating work is advancing steadily. In the same area, crews are active on the escalators. The protective blue covering that was previously in place has now been fully removed, exposing the mechanical systems. Several workers are adjusting components, and handrails appear staged nearby, suggesting installation could begin soon. Next, we move into the Diamond area, which will become the official FC Barcelona store. Significant progress is visible, with multiple large glass panels already installed. At least 5 massive panels are now in place, while many more are staged nearby and ready for lifting. A crane remains active in this zone, indicating that glazing work will continue throughout the day. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It really helps us to stay motivated. We now head toward the south goal, where crews are installing diagonal structural elements between the louver's support frames. Elevated platforms and cranes are in constant use as workers carefully align and secure each component. Some supports are already installed at upper levels, while others are still being positioned below. At the south corner, louver installation continues to advance. A noticeable number of panels have been added since recent updates, especially along the curved lower section. Multiple platforms are active, and additional panels are staged nearby, indicating that progress here will continue steadily. Along the lateral facade, one of the most important changes is now complete. The previously protruding concrete wall has been fully cut back and leveled, creating a wider and cleaner access area. Above, a large structural element has been lifted into place, with additional pieces positioned nearby for future installation. Facade preparation continues with scaffolding and platforms supporting ongoing structural work. We finished today at the north goal, where welding and preparation work is ongoing. Drilled anchor points are now visible on several columns, clearly indicating that louver's support installation is approaching. Protective netting is also being removed at higher levels, signaling readiness for the next construction phase. That's going to wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon with another fresh update from MegaVerse Builds.